Hello again, I returned to Kiev from Kherson, day before yesterday. I'll tell a little bit, but I can't upload much at the moment. No Wi-Fi in Kiev. So I was making a bike trip from Odessa to Nikolayev and then to Kherson. It was interesting to see Nikolayev, which was fairly deserted, but Kherson looks almost completely deserted. And I experienced there explosions and a drone flying overhead and then fireworks type shooting. It was to shoot it down, I think. I ran into military intelligence. They said I was not even allowed to be there, but I got through checkpoints just cycling and saying, yeah, good day. And nobody stopped me. Nobody wanted to ask. So they were surprised about that. But yeah, that's how it went. So the next day I went back. That was an adventure. It was not that cool, but it was interesting. But fortunately, I lost my bike tool bag from my rear pannier. It fell out in some way. I don't know where and when, how exactly it happened. Yet it's somewhere here in Kiev, but I don't know why, how it could have got out. But in any case, it's gone. And I need to find a new one. I will upload videos from Nikolayev, but live there. Displayed military Russian vehicles that were destroyed and displayed there near a place where there's also a destroyed building. It's interesting to see what life is like there. Nikolayev, I made some videos. That will be interesting, I suppose. More to come soon. Bye for now.